I've often said there is a definite lack of good, solid skincare products just for men, and today I'm going to tell you about a science-backed and one of the most all-natural formulations of skincare for guys I have ever seen. So excited to share it with you all in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, the skincare expert. Been doing this stuff for 36 years, here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. Now, I'm excited. The reason I'm excited is that I get sent tons of skincare to test out. And while for the most part, I would say they're usually pretty good, but the one that I'm going to be telling you about today is really unique. It's designed for guys, but of course women can use it. But the formulations, which are what caught my attention, having formulated 2 skincare lines myself, especially since the products are 98% all natural products. They come in a natural scent. They also come unscented. The instructions are very sharp and very clear about how to use them. They're just wonderful. Now, the company I'm talking about's name is Blue Atlas, and they sent me their starter kit, which contained 4 items: a deodorant, a face wash, a body wash, and a skin moisturizer to test out. And I tell you, the first product that I tried obviously was the face wash, and I got to tell you, guys know I talk about how important exfoliation is for the skin and how hard it is to find devices, products that will work well without overdoing it, because people tend to use too much pressure for too long with things like scrubs, so I really don't recommend them very often. But volcanic ash is a very fine particulate matter, if you will. It's very, very small, and yet it makes a very gentle exfoliation medium for the skin. This formulation also has lactobacillus ferment, which is going to help maintain healthy bacteria on the skin's microbiome, and pomegranate seed oil, which is of course super high in antioxidants. So it's a really great face wash, very gentle. It smells amazing. I have the original natural scent in this one, and I just absolutely loved it. Your face feels clean, balanced, and hydrated, not dry and tight or squeaky, that squeaky clean feeling. Just an excellent formulation of a product. And then there is the body wash formulation, which is also excellent, made with green tea extract, aloe, and sugarcane. And I've talked a lot about the exfoliating properties of sugarcane. In fact, that's where we get a lot of our glycolic acid ingredient preparations and formulations come from sugarcane. So this is a really great body wash. You feel super clean. Again, it smells amazing. This is the original scent, but you can get it unscented if you like. And a little of this stuff goes a long way. And now I've had all of these products for a couple of months, and I'm not out of them yet. So that's really, really great. It's got the aloe to help calm and soothe any redness in the skin. And of course, green tea extract. I've talked about green tea and the health benefits for your skin of all the high antioxidant content. All these products meet my criteria. They're sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, and most important, artificial fragrance free. There are no undue alcohols in the formulation. But again, I felt all day clean using this body wash. Excellent formulation. And then I need to talk about the deodorant. Now, there are no chemical components to this deodorant for dryness. It's not an antiperspirant type of product that you would find over the counter, but it kept me dry even through my workouts, and it kept me smelling fresh. So I was really surprised. They use volcanic ash in this formulation because of its ability to absorb sweat, moisture, and to help keep you dry and comfortable. It has that same very clean smell. You can see sort of a amberish kind of beige color. So it doesn't get into the clothing and stain it. It also contains horsetail extract and bamboo stem extract, which helps keep that bacteria in check so that it doesn't get out of control and make you stink. And then the other part of the starter package was this really rich, thick, and you see I have a ton of this stuff left because a little of this goes a really, really long way. Wonderful facial moisturizer. It goes on easy, it absorbs very well, and it's not sticky or grimy feeling throughout the day, even if it's hot outside, which again, I live in Florida, so it's always hot here. Really found it very hydrating and soothing to my skin. They've included some great anti-aging ingredients like mango seed butter, high in vitamin E and C, along with another healthy dose of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. So it's really like getting a vitamin C serum and a facial moisturizer all in one. And you all that follow me know how I preach about using vitamin C serum. This formulation also includes seaweed extract, which is a great exfoliant hydrator, and antioxidant ingredient that helps regulate that oil production. And again, all of this really supports the skin's microbiome and pH levels. So I really think they've done an excellent job. I will include a link to these products down below in the video description box, but I highly recommend you go and check out their entire website because they have many products for hair and body. They even have a cologne. So really onto something here. I really like the simplicity of the formulations. There are not a lot of extra ingredients. When you click on see all ingredients, it's like 7 ingredients. So ladies, tell your husbands about this and your boyfriends if they're just getting into skincare and you want to keep it simple, or you might want to try some of these products out for yourself. And for even more ways to keep your skin looking its absolute best, be sure and check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching today, supporting me on the channel. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.